Good day everyone, this is Engineer Jom Digia, a licensed mechanical engineer and an engineering content creator on YouTube. Today, I will show you how to solve a random past board exam problem in engineering economy under the topic straight line method of depreciation. So, using the conventional solution and for our calculator technique para mas mapabilis natin ang pagsosolve. So, let's start. So, the following problem, a machine costs 8,000 pesos and had an estimated life of 10 years with a salvage value of 500 pesos. What is the book value after 8 years? Use straight line method of depreciation. So, the given in this problem are the first cost. So, sa ibang book yan ay C sub O. Yan daw yung 8,000 pesos na given sa problem. So, yung SV is the salvage value or the C sub L sa ibang book, which is binigay 500 pesos. Yung L or yung useful life or salvage life considered is 10 years. So meaning to say, after 10 years, yun yung pinaka final na halaga ng iyong item or machine. So hanggang doon lang yung buhay niya. So ang required sa atin is book value sub 8 or C sub 8. So for our conventional solution using the straight line method, we have our formula D sub N or the total depreciation during the period considered is equals to N over L multiplied by the first cost minus the salvage value. So D sub 8, since 8 year yung kino-consider natin guys, so yung N natin na gagamitin ay 8, yung L ay 10 pa din naman. Substitute natin, first cost is 8,000 pesos minus the salvage value or the scrap value of 500 pesos. We will be obtaining D sub 8 of 6,000 pesos. So, meron na tayong D sub 8 na 6,000 pesos. Gamitin natin yung sunod na formula which is BV sub N or book value on the year considered is equals to first cost minus the total depreciation during the year considered. So, since ang hinihingi sa atin ay book value sub 8, substitute lang natin. First cost natin 8,000 pesos minus natin yung nakuha natin na D sub 8 kanina na 6,000 pesos, we will be obtaining BV sub 8 is equals to C sub 8 sa ibang book. Yung ginagamit na variable is 2,000 pesos yung ating final answer for that. So, using the Casio FX570S Plus to obtain the final answer for this problem, so tandaan natin palagi na kapag tayo ay under ng straight line method of depreciation, we need to use the function of our calculator, mode, stat, and then linear. So, paano yon? Ito yun guys sa mode 3.2. So, first, we need to reset our calculator first. So, paano yon? Shift 9, 3, equal button, and then press AC. So, here we go. Mode 3.2 for the straight line method of depreciation. Mode, stat. So, 3. Makita nyo yung stat na yon. Ayan. 3. And then, linear regression, which is 2. So, mode 3.2, input natin yung mga values sa unang period niya, which is yung 0. Nandun guys, nag-occur yung first cost ng ating machine. And then, yung kanyang salvage life is 10 years. No? So, ibig sabihin, hanggang dun yung buhay ng machine. So, sa pagkakabili ng machine pa lang, pagkaka-purchase, 8,000 pesos yung halaga niya. And then, bababa mo lang yung cursor sa tapat ng 10, which is yung kanyang salvage life, nandun yung ating salvage value or scrap value, which is 500 pesos na lang siya. So, para makuha yung book value after 8 years, so nakuha naman natin kanina yung total depreciation after 8 years, no? Ibawas natin yung sa first cost. So, may formula tayo for that na sinolve naman natin kanina, nakuha natin 6,000 pesos. So, ima-minus mo lang yon doon sa 8,000 pesos. So, pag hindi ka nag-caltech, mahaba-habang proseso. Dito, mas mabilis. Na-input mo na yung mga values, no? And then, you press AC. Huwag yung delete, AC lang. So, it means nakastore lang yung mga value mo sa iyong calculator. And then, you press Shift 1, which is nandun yung stat, guys. Shift 1, 5, nandun yung ating regression. And then, 5, which is Y hat. So, what's the purpose of obtaining the Y hat in our calculator? Yung ibig sabihin ng Y hat guys, gusto mong kuhanin yung value na nandoon sa column ng Y na katapat nung value or corresponding year na gusto mong makuha. Sabi sa problem, what is the book value after 8 years? So yung gagawin mo, ilipat mo na yung cursor sa unahan ng Y hat, ilagay mo yung 8. So 8Y hat, so ginagawa to guys after mo ma-input mo sa table yung mga values ng 0, ng 10, ng 8,000 and 500. So you press equal button for this and then makuha mo agad yung sagot na 2,000 pesos. So walang kahirap-hirap, mabilis yung ating pag-solve using our calculator technique, mode 3.2 in our calculator Casio FX 570 ES Plus. Follow for more calculator techniques